jeudi à lundi 28, opération de Mississippi. Moi, venu dans pre-admission testing. Moi, venu jeudi à c'est pre-admission rendez-vous. Côté moi, je vais meet avec team, avec anesthésiste là, moi, je vais meet avec thérapeute là. Et puis, moi, je vais faire test corona tout, parce que avant l'opération, je m'a dit qu'on fait test corona. Après ça, après ça, je vais donner toute instruction pour, it's like, je vais préparer pour l'opération de Mississippi. So, basically, je dis à, je crois que ça a duré 2 heures de temps. Yeah, sure. Secondo me qual c'è che non prenotare.
Some of my questions may be repeats.
Okay, it's fine.
Can you just tell me your full name and birthday, please?
Jenny Baptiste, October 5th, 1995.
Okay. And then just to make sure that I have the right information, the plan is to have a right hip replacement tomorrow?
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll talk to you a little bit about what to expect physical therapy-wise after surgery and kind of what we do here so you kind of know what we're going to be doing.
Okay.
Couple quick questions.
Alright, so I wanted to show you what they gave me. In this goodie bag, I have this. I need to drink it today. And then this also, it's the same thing. They give me 3 bottles. I need to drink 2 today. And this one, it says drink before surgery. I need to have this one tomorrow morning before the surgery. They also give me this soap. It's for me to take a shower before the surgery. I need to take a shower tonight with it. And also this one is for tomorrow. To shower tomorrow before the surgery. Okay, so samedi, yo bon mwen jus sa yo. Pou mboy 2 aswaya. Et puis pou mboy sa avant opération. Après ça, yo bon mwen ça son savon liquide pour me baigner aswaya. Et puis pour me baigner tout avant opération. So yeah. Waiting for the nurse to bring me to my room so they can prepare me, get me ready for the surgery and everything. So en fait dit que jeudi c'est jour opération. Moi attendre pour infirmière la vie prendre puis aller dans chambre puis préparer pour opération dans 30 minutes. Okay, I'm about to go change right now. This is my socks, my clothes, and yeah, I'm getting changed right now because it's about to start.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Good. Can I look at your wristband, please? Can you tell me your name and your date of birth?
Jenny Baptiste, October 5th, 1995. I feel like it's really a big deal because like the team is getting ready for the surgery. I just met with the anesthesiologist, the anesthesiologist assistant, the nurse assistant, the surgeon assistant. It's like I feel like they're getting me ready to have a baby delivery or something. It's oh my god, I feel like it's really big. It's very complicated. So yeah, mwen se rencontre avec nurse la, nurse assistant, anesthésiste la, anesthésiste assistant chirurgien, assistant chirurgien. So mwen se, e kom si se a prepare m pou mal fon césarienne or something. Oh my god. It's really big. I feel like it's really a big day. But right now, they're getting the womb ready. They already put the IV, something called IV, inside of me. So yeah. And I'm waiting for the anesthesiologist right now, so they could get me numb and put me asleep. You know. I'm scared. I don't know why, but I'm scared. But I think I'll be fine. I'll do fine. I'll do great. Janti ke mwen ti jan sote, men pense ke tout ba aller bien, tout ba bien passé. So yeah, ya prepare room na pou koun ya, yo get mette serum pou mwen, so I'm just up done. Yeah, I'm up done, you know. Alright, so I just wake up from the anesthesia. I kind of feel numb right now. I don't really feel my leg. But everything went well. Everything was fine. Right now, they just put something in my leg to prevent blood clot. And also, yeah, I'm really hungry. And yeah, I just want to thank God that everything went really well. I'm okay. I just feel numb right now because my whole bottom is numb. They kind of put, what is it? I don't really know what it is. They put something in my leg. I had like oxygen to help me breathe, but they kind of take it off now because I'm kind of good. I'm doing great. I'm still in the recovery room. They gonna get me in my real room in about an hour. They kind of watch how am I doing, if everything is fine. So yeah, I think I'm good. I think I'm doing pretty good. This is what I was talking about. It's a kind of, it's like a boot, I would say, that they put in my feet to prevent blood clots. And then, I'm gonna try to show you where the stitches are. It's gonna look crazy. Right now, I don't really feel anything. It's still pretty numb. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you all that. because I can't really sleep. I'm in pain. The anesthesia kind of go away. They already give me some pain medication, but I don't feel it works that much because I'm still in pain. And yeah, and somebody they bought me flour. If you can see right there, I was so happy. But this time they gave me that thing. They have to try my breathe for it so it could open up my lungs. So how it works. So it's like a breathing machine. I need to put that thing in my mouth and try to breathe through it like this. So the nurse want me to get it to that level, but I can only get it up to here. Yeah, I can do it. I feel like I'm gonna lose my breath when I try to do it. So yeah, it's really painful right now, but it's not that bad. It's kind of between 5 and 6. Yeah, but yeah, I think I'll be fine because they give me pain medication. And I hope it's gonna work because they give me Tylenol, but it didn't really work. And then they give me something else called Oxy whatever. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if I can fall asleep. It's 1:22 right now. Give me a break. Alright, so yeah. Mwen di ke mwen apen reveye paske mwen gen doule nan piye ya malke bon medikaman li pa vreman ede. Yo te bon mwen Tylenol. Doule a still la. Yo bon mwen medikaman akon la pou vreman fe. So yeah, every day I have some little bit for me. I'm so happy. And mwen gen apare sa bon essayer respirer là-dedans pour qu'il ouvert pour moi parce que pendant la procédure opération pour moi oh hi yeah I'm good yeah it's like way better now all right thank you yeah I will respirer là-dedans pour qu'il ouvert pour moi. Yeah, je voulais pour me faire 10 fois chaque matin pour moi ouvert parce que il arrivé chaud rétréci. Yeah, c'est mon blanc, ça rétréci. So yeah, and 1h du matin qu'on y a 1h15. So on va essayer ouais si m'ka dormi parce que cette douleur a commencé à descendre tout petit. So hopefully les bons mots break pour m'ka dormi. So yeah, et le me lever demain si Dieu veut. Je pense que ka vraiment aller demain. I don't know yet. But keep you guys update. Alright, and have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Just up right now and the pain is finally gone. So they gave me Tylenol, they gave me something called oxycodone. They also inject something in my IV. So I was able to sleep, thanks God. Now I'm having some breakfast. And I'm also waiting on the PT, the physical therapist. So they kind of train me how to get out of bed, how to go in the bathroom, how to use the shower and stuff. So yeah, and hopefully they're gonna send me home today or maybe tonight, I don't know. So yeah, m fèk di ke mwen fèk leve malgré douleur a pat vle ki vin dormi yon swa, men lè ou bam kalman, m te fini pa dormi, epi yeah, malgré yo te ban mwen Tylenol li pat fè anyen, oxycodone, apre sa yo mette yon bay nan serum nan, so m te fini pa dormi. Konya mwen leve, m manche breakfast, apre sa m pal fè toilet, and apre sa m atan pou mwen ki pal fè terapi avè nan vini. And yeah, ready.
Can you look up? There you go.
Okay, I'm going home now. They think I'm ready because I had the therapy this morning and I'm moving around fine. I'm moving around fine, and then they said I could go home now. I'm about to be discharged. So yeah. Okay guys, I wanted to let you know that I got home safe. The leg's still a little painful, and then it feels like really heavy, but I think I'm doing good. I'm doing better, and they told me to put ice so I could feel a little bit. So when you feel like I'm okay, they are still not even blue. It's still not even blue. But you have to mash the glass. Maybe actually, you have to put a something bleu. Alright, so merci pour tout le monde qui a regardé la vidéo ça. Je vais juste vous montrer comment l'opération est passée, comme tout a été lié. Ouais, je vais faire la vidéo là. Et merci à tout le monde qui t'a supporté, tout le monde qui t'a encouragé, qui t'a envoyé des messages, qui t'a relé. Vraiment apprécié ça. Et yeah, le message m'a vraiment fait plaisir. And yeah.